The first step, I'm going to loosen this up here so we can straighten out the bars. Makes it a little easier to move it around. Tighten this up. Next step we have to do is, this is your gear selector, so it's got 2 speeds forward, 1 and 2, reverse and then neutral. So we just want to make sure it's in neutral. So let's see if we can get this old beast moving, make sure nothing's seized up there. That's a good start. Here's just a look at it once it's pulled out, so we can actually take a better look at it. Nice thing back in the day, they make metal tanks, and these Honda motors are supposed to be bulletproof. It's actually in really good shape. It's not all rusted, which is nice. Typically what I do if I'm storing something for a long time is I'll spray it down with a rust check or WD-40, just something to put a little film of oil on it. So there it is, it's out of its spot. The next video is going to be this being pulled into the garage and checking the oil, gasoline, and whatnot, and we'll see if we can get this thing fired up.